Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change microphone volume for your headphones Logitech G933. You have to start by opening Logitech G Hub application. And of course you need to add your headset to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to click on it. And in the headphones, right here we have microphone, so this is microphone volume. To increase it, just move this dot to the left. To lower the volume, just move this dot to the left, and increase to the right. But also, we have option to unmute the microphone or mute it. At the bottom of the left ear cup, right here we have mute or unmute the microphone button. Just press one time to mute it or press again to unmute it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.